Hi guys, one of my old projects here. It's a clamp that goes onto my roof rail on the car. So it just clamps on there, do the screw up on the side, and it holds one of my action cameras. That's the wind diffuser, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the idea is action camera sits in there and you drive along. So it acts like a dash camera, except it's up on the roof, giving you a better view. Anyway, as you probably know, I've now got some GoPros. So this is my GoPro version. Haven't quite finished it yet. It's not quite perfect. There's a few bits that need adjusting. One of the basic problems is I haven't got a back clamp on it. So even though it clips in place, it could potentially vibrate out the back as we're going along. Won't be easy for it, but it could. So it's a temporary fix. I printed that, which slides over the top. And it just puts a tray across the back there so it can't slide out. But other than that, I've used the same design, so this clamps in place. So you go straight on the roof rail. That's exactly the right shape for it. Hold it in place. This is fairly thick and bulky, so it shouldn't break easily. I'm still a bit dubious about it because the action cameras were all about sort of 20 quid, 25 quid, whereas obviously the GoPro is significantly more expensive than that, even though it's a second-hand one. I can't remember how much I paid, but it would have been over £100. So a little bit more worrying if you drop that one in the road behind you. So not quite right yet. That will work in that position. The plan is to actually use it like that. Those markings on there was I was going to cut space for it to sit under there, but actually it slides down far enough. I don't need to do that. I need to get my fingerprints off the lens. But we've got access to the on-off button, the another on-off button. That one's camera on-off. That one's actually start taking pictures button. And you do want access to the back of the screen because it's a touch-sensitive screen for making adjustments if you want to. But if you've got it all set up, then we could have a back plate on there. But yeah, I will do a video using it at some time in the near future. I was going to do it today, but it rained. So, oh, that's the other thing. The GoPro is supposed to be waterproof. So it should be all right in the rain. You just won't be able to see much because the lens will be covered in rain. Yeah, I've been working on that. This is about version 5 or 6. I started off just making the shell the right shape, and then I added the bits from the previous design on the bottom. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.